So here's one of those simple things. You basically just got an air filter, and all you have to do is you have to remember to remove it. Last time I did it, it was 4th of June 2023, and I said to myself, all right, so I changed it on the 4th. It's gonna be June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's 6 months, and I'm gonna change it sometime November or December. Now it's January, almost February, and I still haven't changed this filter. Now, it's pretty bad, but it's not as bad as some of the other ones that I've checked before that I've neglected over time, and they are completely filthy. I usually write down the date that I change it and about 6 month interval, 5-6 month interval. But the more you check it, like we check it every 2-3 months to see if it's still not as like filthy as it is right now. So this is fairly filthy. I haven't changed it in a bit, and it's been running a lot. I have the filter that is right there. So now that I'm getting ready to change it, I take out the 2 little screws, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in, and I'm gonna go ahead and date it. So one last thing, you wanna be looking for the arrow. For this unit, the air comes from the bottom. The blower pulls the air and shoots the air up. So airflow goes up directly into the house from the ducting and everything like that. Now, yeah, if you forget what way the air goes and everything, you look at the prior one and it'll tell you right there. The arrow is going up. So I just pull this one out, goes off to the side here. I'll go ahead, throw it away, and I'll go ahead and install the new one. I will forget, I do have a ton of other stuff that I have going on. It comes with raising kids, having a wife, a job, my wife having a job, we have cars, the house, and a whole bunch of other stuff. To say the least, we are busy just like everyone else. So because of that, I'm gonna put today's date here, and I'm gonna count 6 months, 5 to 6 months, and I'll put 5 or 6 months right here. And that way, I'll remember to change this filter. This unit is fairly expensive. I had to replace a wire here a while ago. It was burnt out, and I highly suspect that my filter had something to do with it, because it was pretty bad, and I had neglected it for a while. So with that being said, this air filter is completely brand new. I'll go ahead and tag that and put it all up. If everything was according to plan, today is 28th January 2024. I just got back, and I'm already checking filters and checking stuff out around the house. So first thing I did is I replaced this one. Next time we will be back to replace this would be anywhere between June and July. June would be 5 months, July will be 6 months. Around June, July, all I have to do is go ahead and pull this off, check inside here, see if this is not all beat up, worn, damaged, extremely black, or has wet spots. This is Washington, so the air has a lot more moisture than other states. So a filter is highly important. So this is serviced. I did check around the actual heater itself. Everything looks pretty cool, but the air filter was overdue, and I will check it again anywhere from 5 to 6 months. You can check it on before 5 or 6 months. That's always cool. I forget because I have a lot of other stuff to do. It's an excuse, and I should be better at checking my own stuff. And with that being said, let's put all this back together. Like the design of this is just 2 little screws. Put that in. Every unit is different, but this one is checked, and I went ahead and put all that together. But highly recommend that you do check these filters bare minimum 5 to 6 months. You can check them in other intervals sooner than that, and it will help out for your appliances, guaranteed.